There are tons of leaks about the upcoming Vivo S2, but this one turns out to be the most legit one yet. Based on the leaked hands-on image, the phone features a clean and minimalist design with a flat frame, slim bezels, a centered punch-hole camera, and a distinctive horizontal camera module. In terms of specs, the Vivo S2 is rumored to pack a large 6.83-inch curved AMOLED display with a sharp 1.5K resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It's expected to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7360 chipset, paired with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. The phone is also expected to pack an enormous 7050 mAh battery supported by 44 watts fast charging, which could deliver excellent battery life for heavy users. Now in the camera department, the device, as you can see, has a dual rear camera setup, and the details points to a 50MP Sony IMX852 main sensor and a 2MP secondary sensor, and the punch hole on the front houses a 32MP front facing camera for selfies and video calls. The phone is also tipped to come with IP68 and IP69 ratings, making it resistant to dust, water, and high pressure water jets. The device is also expected to run Origin OS 6 based on Android 16. In terms of price, the device is expected to fall between 40,000 Indian rupees and 45,000 Indian rupees. Vivo is expected to officially launch the S2 in India on August 6. That's why these prices are based in Indian rupees. So if these specs are accurate, this would make the Vivo S2 one of the best mid-range devices of 2026. I mean, it has really nice specs, a really nice design, and of course it's expected to come in different color options, and this image here has reviewed one of the colors of the device. Anyway, if I get more details about the device, I will share with you guys, so smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.